Hello, this is Dr. Vatla making broadcast. Today we will be repairing this original Jikov made in Czechoslovakia fuel pump for the Škoda car, Škoda 120. I noticed when I took this pump apart that the hand lever, which is located here, had rubber O-rings that were also they were rock hard. So now I have new O-rings, and I will try to put them on, which is easier said than done. But now, oh no, almost. First one is on, yes. Then, no. Indeed, I'm gonna try to put this first one lower down, because I have to otherwise get the other one to come over it, which would be impossible. So now just try to, yes, very good. There is one. Then the second one. Put it here and use the tool like that. Great success. And now we take the lever and place it in the hole and press it in, like that. And then we have a groove for a locking ring. When we take it and we try to press it in and take a persuasion hammer and give it a good, like that. Now it's located good. Okay, then we take this and put a spring on and put it inside here, and see that the spring goes in the right place. And then we try to, almost the hole is lining up. Then we take the pin and try to find, no, the hole is not lining up. Take a bit of back here, like that, and then try to locate the pin. Yes, now it is inside. There are grooves for locking rings on both sides, so we leave them like this. Then we take the locking ring and put it on the groove, like that. And the second one, we would like to hear a good noise, like click. Yes, that was the good sound. Yes. Hand pump is working. So now we take the membrane and the spring and try to locate it in an angle inside, go deep enough, and then, yes, now it is locked in place inside that plunger we just put. And now we try to align the holes. So, and leave it there. And now we take this one, and then we take a gasket and put it inside the first. Like that one. No. Yes. Take second gasket and put it in there. Yes. Then we take this one. This comes upside, and this other one goes down like this. Then we take this part and put it here. No, excuse me, I'm hurrying here. We have to take that ring and put it there. Now we can put that on. Then we take the screws, 1 and 2. And then just wind them in for hand. And take screwdriver. Oh, shaky hand. And just locate. And put it inside. Take second hand. Oh, this is difficult. Now, this is properly set up. Oh, I forgot to mention. The kit I ordered with these new parts came with new valves. But the supplier said, don't use these parts, they are made of Chinesium. That means they are Chinese. And he had gotten very many complaints from customers that they don't work. So I used the old ones, I checked that they work. And now we try to align the holes like that and take the cap and put it on here, like this one. Now it's yes, and then we take one screw, and just wind it in a bit, and then try to look at the holes here, maybe locate again. So take another screw and put it in, just like that. Then maybe one more, and put it just like that. And one more, just like that. And one more, just like that. And one here, like that. There is one. We put it here. And then we have one more, which is the last one. Then we take power tool. And now we will wind in the screws. And the next one. Oh no. Shaky hand. Oh. In that one. And this one. And then that one. And then this one. And the last one. And then just a manual check that they are all okay, which they are. That one was a bit molested. So now it is almost ready. Then we take this O-ring or gasket and put just a little bit lubrication on it. And place it here. Then we take the cup and put the filter inside the cup. And then we locate it here, like this. And now we will try to take this one and put it in the hole. Okay. This is yes. And the second one goes there. And now we will put that one back here. So, and try to get the bowl in line. So we can start to like this. Now it's going good. But it's not aligned perfectly, so I just make a little adjustment. And I will probably have to check this when it's on the car so it's not leaking from the interior. But now, one fuel pump ready. And the next time I will be putting it back in place in the Škoda car. But this is not the original pump from that car. It is indeed from my spare parts car, which can be found here behind the garage. The proof is in the pudding, as they say, and I shall now try to pump some gas from my child's quad bike fuel tank, just to see that it's down there, like this, and then I will start to pump fuel. It's we have first have to fill. Oh, now we're getting fuel. Look, the greatest of the successes. It is pumping fuel. How much shall we take from the child? Oh my God, it's spilling. But this was the greatest day in a long time.